Hi, my name is Lise Lucci, and I'm a realtor in Austin, Texas, a mother of 3 wonderful children, the president of the National Association of Hispanic Real Estate Professionals in Austin, and a graduate of the wonderful Real Estate Business School. The classes I took got me licensed, but the classes after that are what made the difference in my career and in my finances, making me into a strong investor and real estate professional. Their business courses teach real-world real estate and gave me the business education that the public school education and other real estate schools just don't teach. I endorse this company, and our association is bringing Wayne Morgan and the Real Estate Business School into our organization so that members across the state can benefit from their professional development courses like I did. If you want to get to the top of the best business in the world, take your classes here. You'll be glad you did, just like I am.